How to remove incognito mode on Google Chrome. In order to remove the incognito mode on Google Chrome, you have to follow these steps very precisely. Click on the three lines here on Google Chrome, and as you can see, I'm able to create a new incognito window here. But what you need to do here is go to the search bar and search for Registry Editor and open it up. Now click on Yes and open your Registry Editor. Now you're going to go to the HKey local machine, click on the drop down, and from here head over to software. Click on this drop down. Now scroll down a bit until you find policies. Click on it. Now here you're going to have to create a new key here, so go ahead and click on new key, and you're going to name it Google, G capital and then Google, then hit enter. Now once you have done that, you're going to do the same here. So right click on Google and click on new. You're going to create a new key here again, and you're going to name it like Chrome, so C capital, and click on Chrome. Now once you've done that, open your Chrome's registry, right click on it and then click on new. Here you're going to select dword 32-bit value. Now this here you have to name it very precisely. So what you're going to do here is rename it, and you're going to rename it as Incognito and then Mode Availability, AVI, Availability. You have to name it very precisely. So once you've done that, you're going to double click on it and change this value data to 1. Click on OK. Now you can close everything out and restart your PC. Then if you click on it, the incognito mode will be grayed out. You won't be able to turn it on. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.